The Quality Pulse Diagnostic tool is a tool that helps an organization understand three things really: how clearly messages regarding quality are shared across the organization by leaders at all levels. The second is whether the behaviors and the unofficial messages, those things that are not written but they're said often privately or in small groups, how congruent those messages, those behaviors are with the official messages. And the third thing is really how well the systems and processes inside the organization support or enable a robust quality culture. So it's really about a couple of things. One is, what does management say when they talk? The second thing is, do they walk the talk? And the third thing is really, how well do the systems and processes for reward and recognition, goals and objectives, strategy, the systems and processes used throughout the business and the quality systems, the technology tools that are used, how well do those enable a robust quality culture?